No, that's Babisha.
Huh?
Her name Babisha.
Yeah, Babisha. Babisha.
Dang, who that is right there?
You know.
Lord.
Hey.
Yeah.
Man, she just pissed on me again, bro. Look at this shit.
What that is?
Piss, man. And get on ass. Oh, we on fire. I'm tripping on my Hey. What up?
We got all them people calling that man phone.
Why he calling my shit like that? On my shit like that?
I was trying to make him because you were linking the song, man. I ain't want to leave the
That
song all the way.
my shit already out there. That song already out there, boy.
For real?
I'm gonna put your shit on. I'm gonna put your shit on there too.
It don't matter. I'm gonna sue you.
Boy, you can't sue me, bro.
I want five diamond teeth.
Huh?
I said I'm gonna sue you for 5 diamond teeth. Your watch is a big ATK.
You ain't gonna get shit. I got good lawyers. Trust me.
I'm gonna work this nigga in 2K. I'm gonna call you back.
Who you playing?
The nigga who phone you link.
Hey,
I got on the phone, right? I got on the phone when
let me talk to him.
They were talking to Keisha, right?
Yeah.
I got on the phone. I said, Queso!
Hey. Queso, make your face go. Hey, look. Let me talk to that nigga real quick, bro. I love you, bro.